Hey guys and gals, I am Ryan with Boho Camper Vans. We're based out of Phoenix, Arizona. Loving the weather here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. I'd like to show you my van. So this here, we call it the REY. This is our next generation. We've been building camper vans out of Phoenix, Arizona for the past 6 years. In this van, we're excited to show off some new components, new lighting, and some new electrical features as well. This van is designed to be off-grid for a long, long time. And I'll show you in the back this killer electrical system that we got going on. So this van is a Ram ProMaster 2500. We also build on the Ford Transit and the Mercedes Sprinter. We leave that up to the client. We do like the ProMaster. It's wider, it's more square, you get a lot more room inside. This van is running on a 48-volt lithium battery system with a 48-volt off-grid air conditioning unit. And being based out of Phoenix, we know how to cool off a rig. Air conditioning is very important to us.
So, Boho Vans, based out of Phoenix, Arizona. How long have you guys been building camper vans?
So we started 6 or 7 years ago, built a van to rent. And then people started asking if we could build vans for them to own. So we still operate a rental fleet. It's a great way to try this lifestyle. It's a great way to travel the Southwest. There's so much to see. And we do also build custom for clients who want their own. So it's a great way to try it out. You might hate it, you might love it. And if you are deciding or thinking about building one, highly recommend getting out and trying it in real life.
Does your customers need to bring their own van? Do you have any agreements with manufacturers that could put them into any vans that they don't necessarily own?
It's a great question. We have a group of local dealers that we work with, so we can help clients source a van. We do also have clients who bring us their own van, whether new or used, and we're happy to build it.
And you said that you build both on Ram and Ford Transit.
And the Mercedes Sprinter.
And typically, what is the turnaround time for a van to be delivered?
So right now, we've got 2 different ways to go about it. You've got the standard layouts. It's like buying a home. You've got your layout to choose from, or you can go the custom home route, right? So custom, we're about a year out. If you go with a standard layout, about 6 to 8 months out.
So what's, I see a lot of design aspects in this specific camper. You said that this one is Hawaii themed?
Yes.
Is that what it is?
In fact, we've got a few Easter eggs hidden in here. For example, our wave motif pull-out pantry, which I personally adore. We've got this lava tile that flows onto the countertop. And behind you here, we have a pull-out table. If you look real closely, you can see we've got the Hawaiian Islands cut into the negative space here.
Oh,
so
wow.
Hawaii, you got your lava fields above you. This is just a tribute to where we came from. The owner got the idea for Boho camper vans in Hawaii, renting a van on the island.
So this design or this floor plan is one of your many other floor plans available?
Yes, this floor plan is just a slight variation to our classic Old Faithful. As the name would suggest, Old Faithful means that it's our reliable, most popular layout. So this is a not quite fully custom, sort of an in-between.
So I see that there's something really unique here, hidden away, because normally on all of the Class Bs, typically they would put the refrigerator here. And I thought first, oh, that must be a refrigerator. But then I was like, this doesn't look like any brand I recognize.
Right.
And you showed me something really cool.
So yeah, we've got our fridge here. That's pretty obvious. This confuses people. They're like, oh, is that a dishwasher? What is that? But no, this is a people washer. So this is your indoor shower. It's made by TetraVan, great company, super solid. You stand right here in the shower pan and the water drains down. This is your curtain, magnetizes in the shower pan, goes right up to the ceiling. So when the weather's bad or you don't feel like showing off in front of people, this is a great way to shower inside.
And the water goes to a drain right there.
Yep.
So all kept in a little pan and tucked away.
Down into the gray water tank underneath the chassis.
Oh, so it goes straight to the tank?
Yes.
Gotcha. So it doesn't go just pouring down onto the...
Right. We want to be respectful of our neighbors, right?
About the power, I just want to show them how amazing this power station, I should call, not even bank, it's a station.
Absolutely. You could probably charge your Tesla off of this.
Probably.
So we are running 4 of Battleborn's Game Changer batteries, and we have stepped this up to a 48-volt system. And essentially what that means is compared to 12-volt, There's less energy loss, less heat loss. Everything is more efficient across the board. In layman's terms, it means you can be off the grid longer. And with the air conditioning system being 48 volt as well, it's a super efficient setup. So you're gonna run out of food and water long before you run out of power with this van.
And what's the, I see that's a Lynx 1000 distributor, and you have 3000?
Yes, we've got our 48 volt, 3000 watt multi-plus from Victron. We have 1,000 watts of solar up on the roof. The benefit to that air conditioning unit is the condenser and the compressor are underneath the van, so that frees up valuable real estate up on the roof for more solar panels. That particular roof rack is from Backwoods Adventure Mods. So you can see we've put some lights up there. We've got our awning and our solar panels all attached to that roof rack, which provides modularity. It allows for you to bolt different components up there. We've got a ladder hanging off this side, also bolted onto the roof rack. So it just gives you so much freedom to do more, to carry more wherever you go. On this particular van, we did an 1.5 inch lift from Van Compass. We're also sporting the Sumo springs on the rear, and these are black Rhino aluminum wheels with some Hankook all-terrain tires. So let's do a little kitchen tour, shall we? Right here, front and center, your Dometic 12 volt fridge with freezer. On top here, you have a dual burner induction stove. Everything in this rig is run off electricity, so no propane required. Tons of storage here. We've already seen this pull-out pantry. Again, it's my favorite. Lots and lots of storage. Of course, everybody needs a toilet, right? So this is one option. This is a cassette toilet, fairly simple. We do composting and dry flush toilets as well. Nice big sink. You can even swing this outside if you wanted, so maybe 2.5 showers in this van. Call it what you will. And then we see this beautiful, sturdy table for dining, playing games, hanging out inside the van. Here we have access to your garage space with your electrical system on the one side, water system on the other. We have 34 gallons of fresh water on board, including a water heater, because nobody likes cold showers, right? This is a full-size bed, so 54 inches wide, and in the Ram, this is 6'3" from window to window. Here we have Victron's Servo GX, so in real time we can see what is happening with this van. We're sitting in the shade right now because of that tree, so our 1,000 watts, we're only getting around 200 right now, but we are at 100% charge, running all the components on this van, not plugged in.
What about the storage? I see there's one.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. This just pries right up.
Very nice.
Plenty of storage there. Storage under both benches here.
Okay, so that's great.
Storage is key. Same thing above the foot of the bed, right? We don't want you bunking your head, so this would be considered the foot side.
I see Max Air fan.
Of course, gotta have the Max Air.
And what about the heating? I see Webesto, or?
We run the S-Bar gasoline heater in this van, yes.
So it uses the van's tank, the gasoline tank.
Exactly. And here you got your heater thermostat on the wall. This is your touchscreen for your air conditioning. Super simple, just hit cool, press the check mark, and you're gonna get cold air.
And that's Cruise and Comfort?
This is Cruise and Comfort, also based out of Phoenix, Arizona. Just like us.
Boho Vans. So how do they find you?
You can find us anywhere. We got all the social medias, Instagram, TikTok. Our website is www.boho.life. Don't let that confuse you. It's no .com. The .life is our .com. Or bohovans.com. You just search Boho Vans in Google. We'll pull right up.
Ryan, thank you so much for this amazing tour. This is really cool. Welcome to the East Coast.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
And I hope you will have an amazing Hershey show. And I'll see you probably on the road.
Great. Hope to.